originate. Yes, sir. We dictate the tempo. We dictate the physicality. Hell yeah. Let's go breathe to these boys. Let's go. Let's go, Fred. Down there, 3, 1, 2, 3. One time. 2 times. 3 times. Right now. Right now. Right now. Yes, sir. Hey, we know these boys and they know us. Come on, boy. Every play. Hey, snap the whistle. They ain't seen that shit yet. Let's see it. Let's see it. Best in the world on 3, 1, 2, 3. Best in the world. Let's go. I got so many more guarantees, baby. Let's make it count, baby. Make this count. Make sure we get some more. Hey, first, I need me 2 quick ones. Trust that. I'm telling you, we're gonna get one. Let's go.
AP Mooney. AP Mooney.
That's how it's supposed to look. That's not bad. Hey, Air Force fumble. Air Force fumble. Hey, I forced that fumble right there, huh? Look at my, you see my fist right there? You see that fist? Yeah. Go to the next one. Great ass stop.
I was playing ball. I had to spin out that. It came.
I brought the next one straight.
I told y'all, AP Mooney, first game of the season. AP Mooney.
You take 2, hell of a job, boy. Hey, what if he 3? Keep the man in your respect. Keep the man in your respect. Keep doing that, yes, sir. Dub! And we won the division. That's a 2-fer.
Hey, look at the faithful here. That's crazy. Look at the faithful.